Hi there, I'm Clinton Crafton with Advanced Rescue Solutions, and we're coming to you from our Advanced Rescue Training Center in Greenwood, Indiana on the south side of Indianapolis, where we're thrilled to announce a brand new class for FDIC, Common Sense Technical Rescue. This hands-on training class is going to give participants a new approach to technical rescue response. Many of us have the training to manage these responses that we face, but maybe not the manpower or the resources of a full USAR response. And while waiting for those resources is sometimes the most appropriate action, there are many times that life-threatening situations just will not afford the patient time to wait. So this class is going to put you in some very realistic scenarios and equip you with the confidence to respond with the equipment you've already got on your frontline pieces. You're going to face scenarios covering a car into a building, scaffolding rescue with fall protection, heavy lifting, and some high rack shelving collapse. And by the end of this 4-hour session, you're going to be armed with the hands-on practical knowledge application and the ability to affect real change at your agency. So we're looking forward to seeing you this spring at FDIC, the greatest show in the entire fire service, and we hope to see you down here at the ARTC. Be safe.